Okay, so here's our bad pixel. Coming down, we can see we got a good one, and then right there it stops and everything is after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it, and now we have to figure out which one do we think it is. Is it that one or is it that one? It's always the question. So I'm gonna guess it's this first one that wasn't working, and so I've cut it out of the circuit. So now what I've done is I've used some alligator clips to bypass that pixel. And looky there, we lucked out this time. It was that one. I just need to replace that one pixel in the middle, and everything after that is working. If it hadn't have been that one, then I would have gone one upstream and done the same thing, taking my alligator clips and connecting it at that point and seeing if that fixed it, and usually that does it. Okay, so for the next step, I've got my pixels that I'm going to replace them with, and I've done the same thing. I've gone ahead and connected them in with my alligator clips so I can make sure that they're working and I can paste them in. If I actually was concerned, I could connect alligator clips to these on the output side and test them to make sure that they actually go all the way through, because you don't want to paste them in and then have a problem. So I use these crimp style connectors. I like these better than the soldering style. I can connect them up easy. I find that they make good connections, and they also can be shrink to seal it up nice. If you're going to use a crimping style, get a good crimping tool, one like this that leaves a very solid indentation. Don't get the kind that just mash it. Won't work. I always start with the negative line first, just to make it consistent so I don't make the mistake of putting it in the wrong way, which I've done more than once. And there's our moment of truth. Everything is working now as expected. Not the prettiest thing in the world. And there we go, the pixel's back in place. This time I lucked out. I only needed to replace one, and I guessed the right one. Sometimes you have to replace a second one, but makes it easy with the alligator clips to figure out what you need to do to make it work again. This is probably one of the most important tools for working with pixels. This is a pixel tester with an X-Connect end on it. Just plugs into a 12-volt power supply and allows me to test the pixels without using a controller. Saves me a lot of time and effort. This is just a short video to show that the lights are working and that we did what we set out to do. Thank you.